Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an upgrade that has taken me by surprise. I think I told you that my next video was going to be a review of a rooftop cargo bag, and I'm going to have to put that one off for a little bit. It's been raining like mad here for the past 30 days, but now that I have this cargo bag that I want to review, it's just been dry as a bone. I can't get it to rain, it seems. So I really want to get that thing out in the rain and test it really well before I say anything about it. So far it's working out pretty well, but I want it to rain really bad. So until then, I'm working on a new project. You can see this behind me. That's quite a mess. This is going to be a rear seat delete. Now that my daughter is out of the house, I don't need this back seat so much. So I'm going to do something with it, and it's not going to just be a cover. I want it to be storage and everything. Hopefully it'll help me out on my camping adventures, and we'll see how that goes. But what I really want to show you today is something new I'm doing with the rear AC vent. Which one am I pointing here? There we go, right there. So you might know that I've got a pure sine wave voltage inverter in the back of the car, and sometimes getting an extension cord out from under there to power things is a little bit of a hassle. And why do I have it, you might ask? Well, I use it to charge batteries, run computers, power coolers and refrigerators, and crock pots when we take food to potlucks and things like that. It's very handy for that. So in my Mark 6, I had that voltage inverter mounted here under the passenger seat, and then I ran a cable out into the center console, and I had actually put an outlet back there. I'll show you a picture of it real quick. And I wanted to do that in the Mark 7 as well, but then I saw that AC duct there and how it goes up through the back, and I was so certain that it wasn't going to work. In fact, people have asked me if I was going to do it, and I told them no, it won't work. And it turns out I was wrong about that, because I have made the leap. Here is my AC vent. I have already cut out a hole, and if you look, this projection comes out a little bit further than I thought it would, and I have chosen a very slim mount receptacle. And right now it's just kind of placed in there. I am going to put some household goop in here to hold it in place after I connect the wires up and everything. The mounting glue has dried, and I've added some strain relief to the cord, routing it forward under the center console where it exits out to under the passenger seat. I still need to relocate my voltage inverter to under the passenger seat and run some power from the back up to that point. At that point I'll be done. But so far I'm very pleased with the outcome. I can't think of anything else to say. Thank you for being here, and please subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks a lot.